Hello students, welcome to the new topic of SST today. In this topic I am going to explain you about the India's size and location. In this topic we are going to basically we are going to study about the size and location of India and world and India's neighboring country. Okay, so let us first check that where is exactly India located on earth. So as you can see the image of earth, there are some lines drawn. Okay, the parallel lines or the horizontal lines are known as latitude, the vertical lines are known as longitudes. Okay, the 0 degree latitude, that is known as equator, that divides the earth into two equal half. Okay, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. And if we talk about the location of India, then India is entirely located in the northern hemisphere. Same way, the 0 degree longitude, which runs from the middle of the earth, also divides earth into two equal halves, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. And India also again entirely located in the eastern hemisphere. Okay, now as we know that India is a Asian country. Okay, then in Asia, where is India located? India is located in the central part of Asia. Okay, now let us see the map of India. Okay, now we will understand exactly on which latitude and longitude India is located. As you can see, India is located into 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. This is the latitudinal extent of India. Now the longitudinal extent of India. India is located in 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. This is the longitudinal difference of longitudinal extent of India. Now from the middle of the India, Tropic of Cancer pass, which almost divide India into two equal half. Okay, in the southeast we have Andaman and Nicobar Island, which is situated in Bay of Bengal. In the southwest we have Lakshadweep Island, which is situated in Arabian Sea. At the tip of the earth, tip of India, we have Indian Ocean. Okay, and the tipmost part of India's mainland, we have Indira Point, which is now submerged into ocean due to tsunami of 2014. Okay, now from west to east, India is 2933 kilometer wide. Okay, from north to south, India is 3214 kilometer in length. If we talk about the total land of India, then we have 3.28 million square kilometer of area, which we can say that India accounts 2.4% of land on the earth, and it makes India a 7th largest country. Now let us talk about the land boundary of India. So we have 15,200 kilometer of land boundary, including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep Island. Okay. Okay students, now this much is clear to you. Okay, till now we have completed these two topics, size and location and India and world. Now let us come to the third topic, that's India's neighbor. Okay, so India shares its land boundary with Pakistan, Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east side. Now when we are coming across the sea towards the south, we have neighbors like Sri Lanka and Maldives. So I hope this much is clear to you. I have completed the whole chapter of geography from 9th standard, that was size and location. In my next video, I will explain you about the physical feature of India. Till then, thank you.